We're gonna be doing the maintenance on the Accord, something that I kind of been slacking on. All the parts. I'm gonna be changing out the spark plugs. I'm gonna be using some NGK spark plugs, some iridium ones. I recommend going with the laser iridiums. You're gonna need a long extension, one socket wrench, and I got the spark plug socket. And this is for this car. It'll be a 3/8 drive, of course, but a 5/8 inch. So you guys need a 5/8 inch right here. Grab some tape, and when you guys put this on this side, tape this up so it doesn't come off, because they tend to come off when pulling it out the spark plug when they're inside. So let's do that real quick. Come towards the middle. There should be a latch that you can flick up, pull up on the hood. We're gonna put the little stick, I forgot to call it, the holder. You can put it here, or you can put it on the service one right over here. If you guys haven't, go check out the intake video. It's a straight banger, and I'll literally show you guys exactly how to put it on. But let's go grab a 10mm. It's gonna suck. But we're gonna grab our 10mm, righty tighty, lefty loosey, of course. We're gonna take off this bolt, this one, and the one behind this hose. Hopefully you guys can see. Loosen. It shouldn't be that tight, because oh damn, this thing's pretty tight. What the heck? Take this one off and take that one off. It should just pop right off. And we'll just put this right here in the back of the phone. And now we have all 4 coil packs. Real quickly, press this in, pull it off slowly. Should be coming off any. There it goes. It's one off. Move that to the side and the back. We're gonna do a 1x1 just to show you guys, and it should be all the same. Make sure to be careful with the plug. We're gonna put the bolts somewhere safe, because we don't want to lose those. I'm gonna pull it out as straight as possible as we possibly can. And there it goes. All right guys, make sure to look at the tip of the coil pack. Make sure there's no oil, because if there's oil, that's a bad sign that your thing's leaking, your little gasket. First, I'm gonna just put this in here slowly, make sure not to damage anything until it grabs. There it goes. Quickly put this on the top, righty tighty, lefty loosey, and just damn, this thing's tight. What the heck? Just gonna roll quickly. There it goes. There it is. It's loosened. Why not? After that's loosened, that's one old spark plug. Look at that buildup on the top. Plugs, when they look, they're shiny on top. The factory, when they were built, they actually have some sort of coating on it, and a lot of people will put anti-seize on it so they don't get seized up, but I understand that. But when you put anti-seize on it, it's gonna throw off the pound-feet of torque when you tighten it back on. Drop this in real quick. Make sure to be really safe. I recommend you guys to go backwards a little bit so it catches thread, and then go front. And there it goes. It's easily just tightening it up. To 14 foot-pounds, we're gonna simply just put this on top right here so it goes on, and we're gonna just tighten up to 14 right there. Do it one more time. Just, you guys hear that? We're gonna real quickly just drop the coil pack in there, grab the connector, because you don't want to trap that in there, of course. We're gonna hand screw, always hand screw any bolt, guys, because you guys don't want to cross thread, especially on the spark plugs, because that's gonna suck if you mess up the threads. Plug the connector back in for the, make sure everything's plugged in, all in order, make sure everything was tight in. Done. I'm just gonna go quickly put this on and bring the camera back up and start the car up.